Hi, so we are creating a tool called JSON to HJSON. Okay, let's see what is a HJSON. Some samples. What is JSON? We can see on this example. Okay, so this is a simple JSON. So name Tawhid A25 active true. So when you convert it to HJSON, you don't need flower bases. You don't need double quotes. So you don't need commas. So this is one more thing, nested JSON. So user have detail, again the detail we have city and country, which converted like this easy. Again JSON array, you have 1 2 3 and separated with comma and square brackets in the JSON format, which will convert into use a I minus or hyphen like this. It's easy. So you can understand what is JSON. JSON is a JavaScript object into notation and other things. Most use codes around the keys and strings. Must use flower bases for JavaScript objects and square bracket for array. No comments allowed. Very strict. Even missing comma will break the code. This is example. What is JSON? Human friendly, easy to read and write. Codes are optional. Commas are not needed. Supports comments. Cleaner, simpler. Humans. So you can see some of the examples and you can compare it also how it is. Commas are required in the JSON but not needed. Comments not allowed. Allowed here. Readability harder, easier. For humans, no. JSON okay, good. So all these things you can see. Some of the examples how it converted in a small JSON object to a JSON and other things. More examples you can see other things like nested objects. This is a person. It have a object. It converted into space. It given two spaces. Converted array of strings. So languages it have array of strings. You can use a hyphen hyphen and array of object users hyphen. Same thing happens here. And comments not allowed in the JSON but allowed in the HJSON. So multiple strings you have to use a slash n or new line, but here you can use the triple quotes starting and ending, and you can write as much as possible. So values without quotes, you can have to env is the key and this is the value, right? So you can avoid that quotes altogether. So mixed types also you can do same thing. Name true false, mixed size, you can see, right? Max heads tags also like this. So these are the some of the example. We have asked a chat gpt to create a JSON to JSON converter. It have created it and I saved in this file and I created a zip file also. You can see the zip file. So let's upload it to this one. We'll say JSON to JSON. So let's give it minus so that it's easy for readable. Or if you see it, the top also you can see. So or else you can remove the hyphen altogether, make it easy. So open the file and desktop test. So s2 JSON open deploy. Okay, it's trying to deploy now. Okay, so you can see now. Open this and let's test it one by one. We'll sample one. Will try. I strongly suggest you go through the code, at least understand at a high level what it is. We'll take a simple example. This one, paste here and convert to JSON. You can see, right? No double quotes and no commas and everything. You can test one more thing. Sometimes it might not work. I suggest you to try those things also. One more thing, you can see it's also working. Test one more, last one. Copy. It's an array of things converted into JSON. It looks good. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.